Good, sensible batting. Picks up a single and he will keep the strike. 11 in that over. Still one more ball remaining. He'll be very disappointed. Really disappointed with the kind of start that he had. 35 of just 26. You do get set. You really don't want to see yourself go back in the hut. Oh! A little bit quicker. Good bit of a footwork from innings from Rajapaksa. The run rate climbed up initially in the first 4 overs, but then it dipped down. And it's now just going at that required run rate. You see, important for them to just get in the mode of having a bit of a partnership. Yes, blistering knock from Thisara Pereira when he came to bat. 127 wickets, and I'm hoping that he can. This can turn out to be a really good day for him if he can chip in with a couple of wickets. Very useful with the ball and dangerous with the bat. And it's very first over. And he gets so much time, doesn't he, Malan? He's looking really good here.
Well, young Shabbir Rahman has to be a little wary of Thisara Pereira. Very crafty bowler, and he's being told by his partner, look, it's skidding on, and despite the pace he generates, which was 124.1 kilometers per hour, the last delivery, it will come at you. It'll be a bit of a surprise when it skids on, more than it would during the day. So you've got to watch out as a batsman for that. Don't need to get carried away. Experience speaks when it comes to the bowling of Thisara Pereira.
He's got 3 men on the offside inside the circle, so he can't afford to bowl full and wide. And he's trying, what is he trying to do? He's been given. Well, Shabbir Rahman didn't even bother to look at the umpire. Well, I reckon he's nicked it because he's walking off. That is a big wicket from Thisara Pereira.
How silly is that? You're just in. You hardly got a glanced ball, that's about it. And you know the ball's coming pretty. No need to play that kind of a high-risk shot so early in your innings. Maybe a bit of glove on it and straight through to Anamulak. Appeal responded to by the umpire. It'll be interesting to see if there's something ultra edge, but the wickets gone. Shabbir Rahman gone for 4. 98 for 4.
That's the problem for the Warriors. They keep on losing wickets after wickets too quickly and cheaply. First it was Kumar, now this. Well, what was he thinking? Yeah, probably a bit of a gloves. And straight to the keeper. Keeper knew it straight away. Oh my God, really good. Lovely delivery on a hat-trick. What a match he is having. Turning out to be the match winner. Thisara Pereira, you beauty.
Well, I anticipated this seriously because Thisara Pereira is such a wily old customer. He bowls within himself. That was 133.5 delivery, and still it held its line. All the batsman did was get inside that line, going and a little tentative with that shot. Gets his man, gets his fellow countryman with that non-committal shot. Gets a feather and gets to the keeper.
Yeah, the danger man goes. Tanaka is the one who scored the runs in the last match, 75. Gone for naught, first ball. 98 for 5. Tisrada Pereira is on a hat-trick. In comes the new batsman, Mahidul Islam Oncon. He already has a hat-trick in a T20 international, Tisrada Pereira. That was against India. But what a turnaround this has been. The moment he got the ball in his hand, single of the first delivery, turning back Shabir Rahman, and then the danger man, the skipper, Chanaka. Slip in, gully in. That's well played, really well played. They'll pick up a single. But what a match he is having. Runs with the bat, and now in his very first over was on a hat-trick.
Let's just have a look at the second wicket. The ultra edge is going to confirm that that's the spike as it goes past the bat. And it was clear enough, the sound was clear enough for the keeper, for the bowler. And of course, the batsman knew exactly that he'd got a little bit of feather on that. Big smile breaks out for the keeper. Excellent work.
A lot will depend on Dawood Milan. I know he needs to shoulder the responsibility, but he would need some support from the other end. That is what is required. 100 comes up with that single. 5 wickets in hand. And I can tell you one thing, if he can somehow manage to stay till the very end, then it's still a possibility. 30, the first 50. 41, the second 50. So they need to find someone. Is Mahidul going to be the one who can stick around with Malan?
He's got to give that support. Wickets falling in a heap. Important wickets. Pressure back on the Warriors. All to work for, and sensible cricket did prevail. Still 81 of 49. It's been done by the other team earlier, scoring at over 12 runs per over in the last 10. So why not them, particularly with David Malan in the middle?
He has to bat sensibly. Instead of looking to play big shot, just rotate the strike. Settle in. A very good over. 101 for 5. Already 5 back in the pavilion. Malan is the key. 25 of 21 with him is Mahidul, Abu Haidar, Sanzamul, Alamin and Mujib to come in next. I reckon this is the pair. As long as Malan stays, Humilla will have hope. Yes, it's possible. But it is certainly under tremendous amount of pressure because Chai Afridi now back. So there's a new man in the crease. And he's done well actually. He's picked up singles every time he's faced a delivery. 3 out of 3 for him.
Yeah, that's the sensible way of going about it. It would have to depend on Malan to do majority of the scoring, and it's got to be some powerful hits coming from him in this little innings that he's building up. If he sees his partners coming and departing, that puts a lot of pressure on him. He backs away and cracks it, only for a single into the deep.
Yeah, got a good start in the last match, but just couldn't continue to bat through. Needs to play a different role here, facing a total of 180. 5 down. This is good batting, very good batting. Yep, get Malan on strike. That's a TVS Apache RT160R.
A bit chilly out there, bit of dew falling. Again, he backs away and still finds that man. The runs are coming in singles, but again a period of play where we've got to rebuild the innings after the fall of quick wickets. 2 at 98, 1 prior to that at 86. The game turning round on its head.
Yeah, wickets are falling so quickly. That's why it's been 12 balls since the last boundary, and that's how they build up the pressure and dry up the runs. Very good from the platoon. Nicely played. They're dealing in singles at the moment. So far so good, as long as they don't lose wickets.
Shahid Afridi will also be content that they're not going after him. He's just bowling a perfect line and length, hoping that the batsman make a mistake. With the last ball coming up, Malan will be looking to retain the strike.
Yeah. 6 singles in that over. 1 is 7 for 5.